Alright, I'm opening 2006 Ultimate Collections baseball box. Should be bonus pack. So in the bonus pack, could either be a Ken Griffey Jr., isn't, I can feel it's cold, it's probably a print plate. Last time I opened a print plate I got a 101 Lou Gehrig print plate, which was rad. And in this one, we have a 101 print plate. Pirates. Who is this? Bill Mazeroski. 101. Pretty cool. So, first pack. Should be 4 packs. Oops. Hopefully a triple auto or a dual auto patch. A lot of material in here, so it's pretty annoying to watch open. Alright. Doesn't look very thick. So, let's see. I think we have Phil Rizzuto, Jose Contreras, Pee Wee Reese, and an auto, Josh Rupee, whatever, rookie auto. Wow, that's underwhelming. Imagine if you dropped 50 for that pack. That'd be disappointing. Next pack. Alright, so we have CC Sabathia, Christine Mathewson, Chris Carpenter. Oh man, these suck. Dual jersey Tony Perez, numbered to 50. So far, junk. It's about $100 worth of crap right there. Hopefully I'll get something big. This one looks pretty thick. Hopefully it's not a junky dual patch. I shouldn't be saying that because I'll end up getting it then. Alright, we got Sean Green, Paul Konerko, Ichiro, and a triple patch numbered to 20, which is pretty cool. Prince Fielder. That's pretty much all you have to say about that. Riggy Weeks is alright, I guess. Carlos Lee. Cool triple patch. So hopefully this will be our triple auto, or hopefully even more. That'd be pretty cool. Alright. Ah! Well, what is going on here? Alright, so we have John Smoltz, Early Win, Armin Killebrew, and then Ben Johnson autograph. So, we've officially busted a shit box. That box, if you read on the outside, should say, find one triple quad, 5, 6, or 8 signature card numbered to 50 less, or an autographed dual memorabilia. We found neither of those. So, huge fucking complaint there. Suck. Alright, see ya.